How to uninstall DaVinci Resolve on Windows. First of all, click on the Start menu, then select Settings, which looks like a gear icon. After that, go to Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Next, scroll down the list or use the search box to find DaVinci Resolve. Once you find it, click on DaVinci Resolve and you will see the Uninstall button. Click on Install and a confirmation box will appear. Click on Install again to start the process. Wait for Windows to remove the program. This might take a few minutes. After it finishes, restart your computer to make sure all files are completely removed. If you want to remove extra files left behind, open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Look for the Blackmagic design folder inside Program Files or Program Files x86 and delete it. Finally, check your Documents folder for any DaVinci Resolve folders and delete them if you don't need your project files. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall DaVinci Resolve on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.